Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you chicken drumstick. It's going to be oven roasted and it's going to be hot and spicy. It's going to be juicy, moist and tender. I have two trays. These are 4 pound each. These are 8 pound. All the chicken drumsticks. I removed the skin. I washed with the cold water and we're going to drain it. And we're going to put it into the pot. I'm going to make 2 cuts on each drumstick and then I'm going to marinate for half an hour. And let's see what other ingredients we needed. Baking powder, half teaspoon. Amchur powder, it's a mango powder, 1 tablespoon. Ground ginger, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder, 1 tablespoon. This is really hot. Ground cayenne pepper. It's 1 tablespoon. Oregano leaves, 1 tablespoon. Ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon. Salt, coriander powder, cumin powder, 1 tablespoon each. I'm going to use olive oil, 2 tablespoons. And let's start marinating our chicken. Get a big pot. We're going to mix it well. Now I'm going to bring olive oil. It will be 2 tablespoons. So we're going to mix it well. So we're going to make 1, 2 deep cut so that our masala can go inside. So I'm going to do all the cut the same way. I'll finish up all, then we're going to mix with the masala. This is the last one. As you can see, all the masala, dry masala is here, and now we're going to mix it well. So we're going to massage it well until it's nicely combined. And once it's nicely mixed, I'm going to let it sit on a countertop for half an hour. Our chicken drumsticks are marinated for half an hour. So we're going to mix it. It's nicely coated. Now I'm going to bring the tray. I'm going to place the chicken drumstick. One facing this way, another facing other way. I have my oven preheated at 500 degree Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. Now it's at 724. So I'm going to open up my oven. Be careful because it's hot, steaming, so stay away from it. And as you can see, our water is boiling inside. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. Put the tray on the side corner, then bring it down, and that's it. And we're going to close it. Now it's a 724. We're going to cook exactly 30 minutes. So we're going to come back at 7:54. It's 7:55. It's a 30 minutes. Since we have so many chicken drumsticks, turn it off. I'm going to hit broil and I'm going to start it. And we're going to keep it 5 minutes only. At 8 o'clock, I'm going to turn it off. Chicken is nicely cooked. If we look at all the chicken pieces are looking really nice. We don't have to turn the chicken over with the water, the steam. It cooks to our perfection and the meat stays moist, juicy. I'm going to turn off the oven and we're going to let the chicken rest for 10 minutes. After turning off the oven, we let the chicken rest for 10 minutes. Now we're going to open it and it's still hot, so be careful when you're going to open it. Wow, look at this. And our chicken, I'm going to take it out. Look at our chicken. Nice. Our hot and spicy chicken drumsticks is all ready. They are super tasty and they are very delicious. They are moist, tender. It's so hot. I can show you how juicy, moist chicken has been done. If you like this recipe, please try it and please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.